Good day, tubers. I'm working on the 289. There's a CF down there. Cleveland Foundry. Anyway, you probably can't see down there too far, but the oil pump shaft fell down inside the oil pan. So I have to do the distributor, I have to do the timing chain. So I may as well pull off the pan, fish it out, put it back in, do everything at the same time. So that's what I'm doing, taking it apart. Fuel pumps out, hoses, take off the fan. I'm going to leave the rad. Drain the coolant, drain the oil, take off the front covers. Start with the chain, then I'll move to the pan and I'll fish that out. Nuisance. I tried to get in there with a magnet, but I can't fish it out with a magnet. It's too hard to get down in there. So that's where I'm at. I'll try and make another video as I go on here. Yeah. So we'll talk to you guys soon. I'll keep you updated. See you later.